Well, go on, traders. Yeah, the traders here again, man. All right, sorry about the being a little bit late. Was taking a peek at the K10 report for Mullen. As I mentioned, I usually do not get into the financials for a company. I just watch and see what the how the stock is trending and use that as a guide to see how the market moves the stock. But I was just a little bit curious in terms of seeing that right now Mullen is holding steady. So I was a little bit curious to see, in terms of the market reaction. So hit me up in the comments if you want for me to do a walkthrough in terms of the Mullen financials. Um, I said yesterday, I take these financials with a grain of salt because at this stage, Mullen is going through a growth stage. So even if you look at Tesla, they went through the same thing. You don't expect them to make a profit at this time. They'll be doing a lot of R&D, and there will be losses until the company start turning around and become profitable. So hit me up in the comments if you want me to walk through the financials with you guys. If I get enough comments, then I will do a separate video. Apart from that, I won't. All right, so jumping into Mullen here. So Mullen has not done much since yesterday. It has basically held steady. It's still at the around the 30 cent, 31 cent level. And I did mention that if it pops above the 32, then that will be a sign for it to run up. Or if it drops below the 30, sign that it will go down a bit further. But from what we can see, it's holding steady, folks. It's holding steady. So don't be scared. It's holding steady. So this gives people a chance. Not financial advice, but it gives them a chance if to plan what their next move is. So maybe the slower the better. All right. So if we look at it here, we are still within the resistance at 31, 32 there. That resistance range. Oh, let me make my screen a little bit bigger. I apologize. Still at the resistance, and RSI is now, which is good, at an oversold level, as you can see at the bottom here. Sorry. Call was just coming in, but I'm going to continue the video. As you know, guys, if you're new to this channel, I do not edit my videos. I don't record my videos. I don't do a live streaming, but I do record real time. So while I'm reviewing the stock for the first time, I do record. So I'm not going to edit the video. Okay. All right. So if we switch to Yahoo Finance to see what's going on, pullback yesterday was 15%, and then pre-market went up 4%. And in terms of market cap, we were at 500 million. Right now we're at 498 million. So basically at 500 million, guys. So there's no sell-off, no additional buying in. Average volume is at 235, and the volume that came in is 248 million. So pretty much at average. In terms of the comps to Mullen, Arrival, we saw the other day that it ran up, I think in the teens, but now it's pulling back. Lucid is pulling back. Neo has pulled back somewhat. I mentioned a separate previous video that Neo needs to break the $12 in order to break that heavy diagonal resistance. So you can look back at that previous video. Rivian not doing much, 3% up, and Xpeng pullback. So there has been a pullback in the overall market, guys. So let's take a look and see what's going on with the options. So I apologize because I'm kind of late this morning. The options volume is not shown because it defaults to 0, seeing that I'm so close to the opening of the market. So if I had recorded this video earlier, then I would have given you the volume on that. But we can look at the open interest. So open interest for Friday is at 84, pretty steady, still at 84,000. Open interest for next week, 30,000, and for the other week it's 10,000. So whatever needs to happen, as I said a couple of weeks back, it should be happening this week. So, keep your eyes peeled, guys. See what the chart holds, see how the stock is moving before you make your move. Okay, so keeping it short, guys. Sorry to be a little bit late for today, but at least I got this video in prior to the market open. So as per usual, don't forget, if you like this type of content, subscribe, share with your family, friends, and give me the thumbs up if you like this type of content. Take care, guys.